Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set up Binance Authenticator. Open the Binance app, sign in, and tap Security to start the process right away. Follow prompts to link an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, scan the QR code, and enter the 6-digit code to verify. Stay calm, move step by step, and don't skip the backup code step to avoid lockouts. Next, install an Authenticator app and prepare to link it to Binance. In Security Settings, choose Authenticator app, then display the QR code on screen. Use your Authenticator app to scan the code or paste the secret key if scanning fails. The app will show a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Type that code into Binance to confirm. Keep the app accessible for future logins and trades. After linking, prioritize backup and recovery planning to avoid losing access. Copy the secret backup key exactly and store it offline in a locked safe or password manager that you trust. Consider enabling cloud backup in your Authenticator app only if you understand the risks. If your device is lost, follow Binance account recovery steps and be ready to verify identity. Proper backup saves time and prevents permanent account lockouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.